baby. It's time for your pictures. Smile. Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, now I may as well go to school.
Okay.
Hey, put your hands up.
I already am putting my hands up.
Hey, what are you doing? Ah!
What happened, Docs?
Well, something bad has happened.
What was it?
Very bad. It was so bad.
Are you gonna tell us?
It was so bad.
What? Oh, that over there? I didn't know that was bad. It is, very.
We need to call out our military.
When you gonna get a raise? Never. How about now? No. How about now? No. How about now? You can have a lunch. Lunch what? A bowl. Yay.
Hey, drop the weapon.
Or what?
We're sending our soldiers.
You don't even have soldiers. No! Call in the reinforcements. Ah! Oh my gosh! This is for women! I did it! Yeah! I gotta go pee.
Yeah, you guys are never making it allowed. Who's that? Were you?
Just a dream. Yeah.
Oh, how did I get here? I guess it's just another dream. Wait, this is gonna be fun. Wait. God, that wasn't a dream.